Hello programmers, welcome to Code with HP. In this video we will see what are wildcards in SQL. Wildcards are used to search data in table when exact value is unknown. Wildcards are used with combination of where and like. Where is used to specify the column name and like is used to specify the wildcard condition. There are three types of wildcards. Percent wildcard. It is used as a substitute for single or multiple characters. Underscore wildcard. It is used as a substitute for single character. Then we have range wildcard. To understand this, we will consider an example. Suppose there is a requirement, we have to find out the student name which are starting with either A, B or C. Then here we will provide a range which will start with A and end with C. To get better understanding, let's jump on to practical. For this demo, we will use agents table and we will perform wildcard operation on agent names. Now, there is a requirement, we have to find out the agent name which ends with Kumar. For this, we will use query select star from table name which is agents where condition. Here we will provide column name which is agent name like. Now we will give wildcard condition. In our case, we have to find out agent name which ends with Kumar, but it can start with any letter or multiple letters. So we will use wildcard which is percent and ending Kumar. Now we will execute this query. We have successfully retrieved two records which ends with Kumar, but starting of the name can vary. Now we will fetch all the records again. Now there is a specific requirement. We have to find out agent name which has a name which start with A. In our case, we can see there are three records: Alex, Anderson and Alfred. So after performing wildcard operation, we should be successfully able to retrieve these three records. Here we want agent name which should start with A, but ending letters can be anything. So A, and we will provide wildcard percent. We have successfully retrieved the agent name Alex, Anderson and Alfred. Now there is another requirement. We have to find out agent name which start with R and end with R. In between there can be n number of letters and they can be anything. They can be combination of any letters. For this, we will use R at the beginning, wildcard in between and R at the end. We have successfully retrieved two records which has R at the starting and R at the ending. In between there can be anything. Now we want the agent name which either start with A, B or C. So here we have a range which start with A and end with C. So we have to use range wildcard. Syntax for this wildcard is we will provide a range which start with A and end with C, and there can be any letters at the end. If you have observed, we are using combination of two wildcards. First is range wildcard and second is percent wildcard. You can try out variation of this combination as per your requirement. So you can try out this combination and don't forget to comment down below which combination you have tried. Now we will retrieve all the records once again. Now there is a requirement. We have to find out agent name which ends with van and starting letter can be anything. Here we have two records, E1 and O1, which has van at their ending and I and O at their beginning. For this we will use wildcard. Starting letter can be anything and van at their end. Now we will execute this query. We have successfully retrieved E1 and O1. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. In next video we will see what are the operators. Thanks for watching.